The Sub-Divisional Medical Officers, very good morning to all of you. Our frontline ambulance drivers, senior officials and staff of the ministry, acknowledge the Permanent Secretary, the Director of FPBS. And again, today marks another important step forward in strengthening our health service delivery at the community level. And I would like to begin by expressing our sincere gratitude to the Government of Japan for their generous donation of these 6 brand new ambulances. And in their continued effort reflects a strong partnership that is focused on improving life across Fiji. So as we know too well, the ministry faces ongoing challenges in maintaining a consistent and fully operational ambulance fleet. So after the formalities this morning, we will go down and the new ambulance is parked next to an old ambulance. I just want that to be an occasion where you grasp the gravity of maintaining, upkeeping and ensuring that all ambulances are looked after so that they can provide the work that it does. And that is why the receiving and releasing of the new ambulance into your keep and care must not be treated just as a handover. It's a transfer of responsibility. Each of you Sub-Divisional Medical Officers and designated drivers will be the guardians of these new ambulances. For your role is critical, and so is your accountability. To our drivers, the ambulance you drive is more than just a vehicle. It is a mobile emergency room. Your responsibility goes beyond transportation. You are the first point of care. Please take pride in your role and ensure that these ambulances are operated safely, responsibly, and maintained to the highest standards. The siren is not a license to speed or overspeed. The siren is an indication that there is an emergency and that drivers or pedestrians who hear the siren, they should make way for the ambulance. And to our SDMOs, you are ultimately accountable for the proper use and upkeep of these assets within your division. Please establish a routine of regular maintenance, timely servicing, and oversight on usage and safety. And let us ensure that these vehicles remain in full operational condition for as long as possible. And as I had said, when we finish this formality, we will go down and we will notice the new ambulance alongside the non-operational one. It is a visual reminder to all of us that if we fail to maintain what we are entrusted with, the risk of losing its value, and we deny our communities the critical care they deserve. Let that be a motivation to do better. Let us together commit to ensuring these new ambulances will not only be well used, but also maintained and serve us well. Let them serve as life-saving bridges between our communities and our hospitals. And I wish you safety, discipline, and pride as you take the responsibility forward. And before I conclude, you're all aware now that we are fighting an escalating battle of the outbreak of HIV in the country. The number of new cases of HIV continue to escalate significantly each month, at a speed we have never witnessed before in Fiji. We will have to work together as us at the ministry policy level and you at the ministry frontline, working in partnership with our communities and as a country to tackle this significant health challenge of our time. I have presented this to our leaders in government, and I'm greatly encouraged by the support expressed by my fellow cabinet ministers, who also recognize the need to respond decisively to the growing HIV epidemic and the increasing burden of the TB-HIV co-infections. To ensure we act with urgency and efficiency, we will be introducing operational changes within the Ministry's Family Health Division to establish a HIV Sexual Reproductive Health Unit that will drive a coordinated whole-of-government response to this public health emergency. This is an announcement and will be followed by a ministerial directive. And this unit that will lead or the established HIV SRH unit will be led by the ministry and also with a good my colleague Dr. Jason Mitchell sitting at the left hand. And these are difficult times, but with the continued support of our communities and partners and you as our frontline service providers, I'm confident that we will rise to the challenge and protect the health and well-being of all Fijians. Again, I wish you all a blessed weekend ahead and look forward to working together with you all in the weeks and months ahead. Lalabalavu, and thank you.
Let's give one another.